You're watching Olsen Spec.
Well, this car has to go on Friday.
This is surgery.
This is surgery? So update on the 930. Alex has got the front splitter done. So this is the whole front splitter he's welded. And then he's finishing up the front bumper. The rest of the car is done. He's got side skirts fabricated. He's got the whole rear section fabricated. He's got the front ready to knock out. Sorry, I'm supposed to wash my hands or put my gloves on before I touch the metal, right? It really does look like the Mork because there's body parts everywhere in here. And he's down to the wire. Wait till you see this thing on the ground. It's gonna be sick.
Hold up. MDLD, midday lunch dance. You know?
To get this bumper design that we have for this car, we had to go through multiple renders with our client to make sure they were happy. The design was originally meant to kind of streamline the factory look of the car. However, when the client saw the progress we were making on the bumper without the rubber trim on it, as we had the recess for it to go in there, they asked us to not put the rubber in and to keep it like that. And that's what we went forward with for the idea and the look of this bumper. Now, making these bumpers out of metal has multiple advantages for us. One of them is that it stays true to the feel and the material of these vehicles that were predominantly made of metal. Secondly, it lasts much longer and is much easier to fix than other counterparts such as fiberglass or carbon fiber even. Yes, carbon fiber is very strong, but it is prone to cracking, and once it cracks, there's really no going back to fix it. And it's not going to have the same shelf life that our metal bumpers will.
Today's a big day. You've been working on this project for forever, but she's going to the paint shop. What do you think?
Happy to see that it's moving forward. Get it to a stage where we can start rebuilding it and getting it back to the customers.
Now that all the body work is complete and looking amazing, what's been your favorite little detail on it?
I had to be the front bumper. It's just because of all the challenges it's had in it. It's been pretty complex, a lot of angles, a lot of detail involved in it. So it was fun making the front bumper.
All right, well, it's looking real good, man. Real good. Super excited to see this go out to the paint shop and come all together.
When the metal work is complete on our build, we send it off to one of our partners to paint the cars. How do we decide on the color that the vehicle's gonna be? Well, the client points us in a direction of the feel and the style of the car. Tim takes over, and he actually has a secret location he will not disclose to me that he will use to develop and refine the color options for the client. He'll get those colors painted, and then the swatches are sent to the client so that they can view them in different times of the day, different light, to make sure that they are 100% happy and good to go. It typically takes about 6 weeks to paint these cars. One other aspect that we have to keep in mind is not just the main color of the vehicle, but also accent colors, materials, textures, the seats, all the styling that goes into these vehicles. Everything is gone over by Tim and the client to make sure that they are 100% happy with the vision that we're creating for them. Here at the shop that's doing the clear bra on the 930. I can't wait to see this thing out. The last time I saw it, it was just metal. So I am super excited to see how this thing looks in its paint. Let's go see it. Feels almost like Christmas. We're gonna get to open these up and see what's inside.
It's the blue car?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I can't wait to see this. I haven't seen this. I haven't seen it with color on it. It's only got, what is it, 3 grams of metal in it, so it should change color pretty good.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Like gray, green inside, super blue outdoors.
All right, there it is.
It looks good, doesn't it?
It looks fantastic.
I can't wait to see it when it comes out into the sunlight. Yeah, see here it's got like a little bit of a grayish tone to it.
No, I've only ever seen this indoors at the body shop, so to see it back in the light of day is looking real cool.
Yeah. We should go get some of the guys to help.
Yeah.
Yo, can you grab your boys? Alex? Yeah, Alex and whoever else. I need 4 guys.
I said like a bluish Nardo. It's great.
It's blue.
Blue?
It's blue.
I mean, it's in the shade, so I don't get the light blue.
Yeah, it's blue. How many spares did I give you?
There's 2 in there.
Oh, there is?
Like, Jesus, man,
Yeah,
we're
you
doubling
got
up on this one?
Oh,
I
here.
got 3.
You got 3?
No, he pulled out an extra pair because he's gonna put them on his feet. Because what are those? Yeah, we gotta glove up those feet. Those are.
Yeah, I told him these guys.
I've never seen those before.
My camo Crocs. Dude, I
Where are your
fucking.
feet at?
Bro, it's gonna take longer to get these things on than it is to get the car off from the trailer. Let's go.
Yeah.
What steers, the front or the back?
They all.
Oh, great.
You got this corner?
I got this corner.
I'll make sure it don't hit this corner.
We gotta get pointed the right direction here. My hands are so big that I think I'm tearing my gloves.
That's what she said.
You like the color?
Oh my god.
See the blue now?
No, that's what I'm saying.
You don't see the blue.
No, I do, and I
Right.
love it.
Yeah, that's why it's called the blue car. So I want to drive this tonight.
No, we got you.
All right, cool.
You got it, Dave? You do the wiring, throw the engine in. I'm on it.
This is the blue car, freshly back from paint, freshly back from clear. It's blue. That's it. That's the color, blue. We might take the E off and do BLU, but it's blue. Let us know in the comments. What do you think? Is it blue? Is it gray? It's a flat color, and it's got just like 3 grams of metal in it. Freshly back from clear bra. Let's get it built.
I said the color was shark skin.
Good boy. You want to scheme what we want to do here?
Dave, I'm gonna let you know right now, there's no way I can avoid you now. You're on the big car.
Oh no.
You should have got that on video. We were just talking about the tire machine, and then next thing I hear Dave say is, "Hey, this is a quality machine right here."